Okay, it's November the 9th. I'm a little late. Not too much, maybe a week. I usually plant garlic first part of November, so technically it's still the first part of November. Okay, those are my Egyptian walking onions. I don't even know how many. I've got some that were first year. I'm going to go ahead and plant them too. See what they do. Or supposedly they will make cloves the second year. Some of these, I've grown different kinds. I grew some from an old homestead, and then I grew elephant garlic. And I really can't tell the difference. So, I don't try to keep them separated. When you plant garlic, you want to plant the pointy end up because this is the root end. And I'm just going to plant them now. And then if we are expecting to get any kind of super cold weather, I will come out and put hay all over them. But usually that happens like in January. And these will probably be up like that in a week or so. And I am in Southeast Texas, and this is Hardneck garlic, and it does just fine. A lot of people say you can't grow Hardneck in the South. I've never grown any other kind. See, this is one. It's just a little bulb, and it's already got green on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's supposed to start raining here maybe an hour from what the radar looked like. So that will be perfect for these. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 23. Get them all covered up. And I'll go ahead and give them a sprinkle of water, even though it's supposed to rain. Okay. And just so I know, I'm going to stick that right there. Just one of the stems. That is how far the garlic goes. And I might come in and plant lettuce around in this part. I don't know. Need to get these weeds out. The grass. I won't make y'all watch that. But that's how I plant my garlic. Simple, simple. No big deal. Ugh.